Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, Friday and then today, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that, Tesla has made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where it was on Friday down at its lows during the first 30 minutes, and now you look at it where it closed here, any rational person would say, yeah, Tesla has made a very, very nice bounce. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there actually any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine momentum, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that is down here at 268. Why is 268 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with true power, so a bounce that's actually a bounce, well, it's going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was because that would be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 268. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, the price were to separate to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, but in this situation behaves in this manner and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows here. You'd have that lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And one final time, in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the phrase make progress as 268. What about levels of resistance? In terms where the sellers are hanging out and kind of the next overall key battleground, definitely seems to be right up here around the 291, 292 mark. If you take a quick trip down memory lane, look through the past history, you can see this area here has knocked down the price on a couple different occasions. So like I said, right around 291, 292, next key battleground. However, any way you slice it, very, very nice bounce the past couple of days. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.